Hi everyone, welcome to week 8 of music learning this term. I decided that I'd jump on today to share with you some information regarding the Songmaker in the Chrome Music Lab website. It's a few of us had the opportunity to explore it before we went into lockdown, and some of us didn't get that opportunity. So I thought, for those of you who didn't get the opportunity and those who are still a little bit unsure, I'd jump on today to share with you some information on how to use the program and get the most out of it. So starting off, down the bottom here, when you click on the link, I should say, in your task, it'll open you straight up to this page. The way it's set out is quite clear and easy. Down the bottom here is our play button. That allows us to play the piece that we've created. You can choose what sound you want your piece to be. You can only choose one though, you can't mix the sounds, unfortunately. The electronic part here allows us to change the beat. So you've got electronic, blocks and kit. Your tempo allows you to move it up and down, which is the speed of how your piece sounds. You've got a microphone here that allows you to include voice into your piece. The settings box here, when you push settings, it allows you to alter the length of your piece. So you might want 4 bars, 5 bars, 6 bars. I'm going to stick with 6 today. We're going to stick with the 4 beats per bar, which is the 4/4 timing that we have talked about at school. If you want to, you can split those beats into 2, so you can have the TT sound, or you can drop it back and just have the tar, which is the 1 beat per bar. And down the side here, the only other thing you may want to use is your octaves. So you've got 2 octaves in the range there. So the more you add in, the higher your piece will go, the lower the sounds are. You just don't have that range. When you've made your selection, just hit the tick and it will activate it. So you can see here now, my screen is is light, followed by dark, and that represents the measures or the bars. So there's 4 beats in this bar, and then it moves into bar number 2, so there's another 4 beats there. If you prefer to put it into the TT format, just go back to your settings, split the beats up, and then that allows you to add a little bit more dynamic sound. The undo button here, if you make any mistakes, you just select that and we'll undo the last option that you used. So to make music, you just need to click on the squares. You may want to add all the sound there. Down the bottom, we add in our beats. It's up to you how you want that to sound. And then to listen back to what we've played, just need to hit this button here, play. Okay. And it will keep looping the song until you're finished making it. Once you've made your song, all you need to do is hit this save button. And then I'm going to make another video regarding how to take the link from Chrome Music Lab and pop it into Seesaw. A few of us got a little bit confused with that last week, and I had a few links that weren't activated. So I'd like to share with you how to do that so we are a little bit more clearer and so that I get to see myself and Mrs. Carlin get to see your beautiful work. So thank you, good luck, enjoy, and we'll see what you come up with.